We're now going to be taking over Calypso, which is pretty freaking crazy.
Oh, look at that! Boom!
Oh,
Looky!
Yeah, you put him back. Yes, you did. You're a goofball. Good job.
So it's finally coming together.
So you can pull tight. It's an elastic around here, and you can pull tight. Now on Reese's bedding,
We got all of our paperwork.
that was a simple fix. You were worried.
We got a sweet weather window. I think we're looking at 10 to 15, seas 2 to 3, and the winds are going to come from the south.
17th Street Bridge is sailing vessel Calypso. We are all clear. Thank you. Now it's time for the inlet.
That's it. We're ocean bound now. We're offshore.
Yeah.
I think we're probably, what, 4 miles maybe offshore? How do you feel? Raising the flag, baby.
Finally.
Here's your story, let's begin. The water's fine, come on, dive in. The future's here, it's right before your eyes. Step by step, you're on your way. You're welcome to a brighter day. Don't you know it feels good to be alive? You could be larger than life, bigger than the world, living out the hopes and dreams of every boy and every girl. You could fly higher than the sky, shine brighter than the stars. You could have all you ever wanted, shoot the moon and reach for Mars. You know you
Take
could.
both engines slowly back to neutral.
Today, but the water's still. I
Times are changing everywhere. Do we dream and do we dare?
Hotel.
It's up to you. The door is open wide. Feel the rhythm of today. Learn the part and join the play. The world is here. Let's take it for a ride. You could be larger than life.